Hey everyone! Welcome to Rugwe Media, where we show you how to start viral and high-paying YouTube channels, even if you have no experience. Today, I'll tell you a short story about how I found a YouTube niche that makes great money and is super easy to start. The best part? You don't need to show your face, use a camera, or even have perfect English. So stay till the end. I'll show you how to make videos like this step by step.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Rugwe Media Digital Podcast Studio. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy English learning videos.
Yes, and please like this video and comment your name in English, plus the country you're watching from. We love to see where our amazing learners come from.
That's right. Okay, let's start today's talk. So, how are you feeling, Sarah?
I'm feeling great, thanks. It's such a beautiful day, and I had a nice cup of coffee this morning. What about you?
I'm good too. I went for a short walk before coming here. It really helps me stay fresh and positive.
Yes, talk about your day, how you feel, or what you plan to do. Just speak. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Because mistakes help you learn faster.
Exactly. So keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, practice makes progress.
Nicely said. All right, everyone. See you in the next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.
You just saw how those two avatars turned a simple English talk into something real and engaging. That's exactly how the English teaching niche works. Simple words, clear voices, and stories people enjoy watching every day. Look at channels like Mr. English. He didn't start with big equipment or a studio. He just used talking avatars, daily expressions, and short lessons that feel friendly. Now, thousands learn English from him while he earns from it. But here's what most people don't see. There's a whole system behind how these creators turn simple English videos into income. From choosing topics that people search every day, to using tools that do the hard work for you. In the next part, we'll break down the outline, a clear checklist that every successful English channel follows before creating any video. Once you know that roadmap, everything else becomes easier. Now before we jump into making videos, here's the outline every English teaching creator should follow. First, set up your channel the right way. Name, description, and niche. Second, learn SEO basics so your videos reach real learners, not just views. Third, write clear scripts that sound natural in daily talk. Fourth, generate images or scenes using AI to match your story. Then, animate with your avatars and edit everything into smooth, simple lessons. Now that we've covered the channel setup, SEO, and scripting in past videos, let's bring your story to life with visuals. Because every good English channel needs faces that talk, react, and connect with viewers. Here's how we do it. We use simple image prompts to create two podcast-style actors, right inside a studio scene. Their names come from your channel brand, giving your videos a personal touch that viewers remember. You can even ask ChatGPT to write the prompt for you. Just describe your scene, your actors, and the mood you want. Once you've got that, generate the image with Google FX or other preferred tools to make it feel cinematic and alive. In the next part, we'll turn those images into real motion, animating your avatars and syncing their voices so your lessons sound human, not robotic. You've got your characters ready, two podcast actors created from your prompts, sitting in a virtual studio that matches your channel style. Now, it's time to bring them to life. Open DupDub and upload the character images you generated earlier. Once they appear on your screen, assign character 1 and character 2. Give each of them a role, maybe one as the teacher and the other as the learner. This simple setup makes your video feel like a real English conversation, not just another voiceover tutorial. Now it's time to add the voice and dialogue. Copy the script you created using ChatGPT, the one that tells your story or teaches a short English lesson, and paste it directly into DupDub. Make sure each line goes to the right character. This step is where your writing starts to sound alive. Next, explore the voices. DupDub has a big list of natural-sounding voices, male and female, American, British, even neutral tones. Play around a little and listen carefully. Pick the voices that feel the most real and friendly for your audience. The goal is to sound human, clear, and confident, just like your favorite English channels do. Once you've chosen the voices, adjust the speed, pitch, and tone if you need to. You can even add a few pauses or emphasize certain words to make the conversation feel natural. Remember, your voice style builds the mood of your video, whether it's educational, calm, or energetic. When everything feels right, click Process. DupDub will generate your animated scene, your two avatars speaking your exact script, just like real podcast hosts. Wait for it to finish, then click Download to save your video. You now have the talking scene ready, your digital actors are alive and speaking your script. In the next part, we'll move into the exciting part, video polishing, adding effects, timing, background music, and transitions that make your English videos stand out like professional productions. Now that your DupDub video is ready, let's move into Canva, the place where everything comes together. This is where your two characters stop sounding like separate recordings and start sounding like a real conversation. First, open Canva and create a new video project. Import the video clips or audio files you just downloaded from DupDub. You'll see both characters' lines, Character 1 and Character 2, all in one file. Now here's the trick. Split or cut each line of speech so that every part plays at the right time. For example, when Character 1 finishes talking, make a short pause, then let Character 2 respond. Keep adjusting the timing until it feels like a smooth, real conversation, like two people talking in a podcast studio. You can zoom in on the timeline to make your cuts clean and natural. Next, add a soft background music track. Choose something calm, educational, or friendly, not too loud, just enough to keep the energy alive. Lower the volume of the music slightly so it doesn't cover the voices. If you want, you can add a fade in at the start and a fade out at the end to make it sound professional. Now, let's add a few visuals. Use Canva elements, studio lights, microphones, maybe your channel logo on the wall. You can also add on-screen text for important phrases or subtitles for learners who follow along. These small touches make your video look more professional and more engaging. After you're done arranging, preview your video from start to finish. Listen carefully, check if the voices sound balanced, the timing feels right, and the music fits the mood. Make quick adjustments where needed. Once it feels natural, export your final version in high quality. You now have a polished, conversational English video, made with your AI characters, your story, and your creative touch. And that's how you bring your English teaching videos to life, from AI avatars to a fully polished conversation. For your thumbnail, we'll use Google FX to make it pop and attract viewers. All other video details, titles, descriptions, tags, and even scripts can be generated using AI tools like ChatGPT or your preferred tools. The best part? Every prompt I used in this video will be shared in the description so you can replicate the process step by step. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next parts of this series. Comment below with your channel name. I'd love to see how your AI avatars and scripts turn into real English conversations. Remember, your voice, your story, and a little help from AI can build a channel that teaches, engages, and earns. Start creating today.